We're here with Tim. Tim is from Rainbird, Australia, based in Queensland.
Queensland, Northern Territory, yep.
That's a pretty good territory.
It is, it's a great spot.
Yeah, you look like you've got like that sun-kissed look, with, like pasty white Adelaideans coming down here. So we just wanted to produce a quick video about the R van, and obviously you've got this really good display set up so that people can see how these work.
Yep.
Tell us a little bit about what you've built here and why you've built this.
Yeah, so this is designed to demonstrate a couple of features of the R van nozzles. So a big one is the low angle trajectory. It's a low angle so that it can be better at fighting the wind and it doesn't get blown around as much. And you can see the size of the droplets helps with that as
They're
well.
quite sharp, aren't they?
Yeah, larger droplets and a nice steady rotation speed. So you can also see where it's landing. So greater than 80% distribution uniformity, and you can see that there's different depths and as far as the throw goes as well.
So is there like 4 different angles or 5 different angles, or?
I think 3.
Yep,
yeah,
okay.
Yep.
So kind of one throws there, one throws there, one throws there?
Correct, yeah, short, medium and long.
And this nozzle that's operating here is the 18?
So this is our medium throw nozzle.
So that's that one?
Yep, so we've got three lengths range. So there's 2.4 to 4.6 is the blue one. The beige one is 4 to 5.5.
Yep.
And then current stock is yellow, but coming soon we're just recolouring it to red.
It just looks nicer, doesn't it?
That's it. There's the yellow and the beige are a little bit too similar, so red will be the new colour.
Yeah.
And that covers 5.2 to 7.3
The yellows
meters.
were quite high visi. I think this kind of looks a bit more, I don't know, like earthy.
Yeah.
So,
more natural.
Yeah. And so once your stock's out on the yellows, they'll come in.
Correct.
And some of these are new to the range. So originally you only had 4 nozzles, so like a 360, and a adjustable and an adjustable.
Exactly. Yeah. So we had the beige and the yellow or the red.
So those 4 nozzles there.
Yep.
Were the originals?
Form the original. Yep. So the brand new ones are, we've got the short throw, which now starts at 2.5 metres for your nice short throws, and a 360 and adjustable.
And when you say 2.5, it goes down further.
Yeah,
right?
correct.
You don't recommend people use them, or you're not going to get match precipitation, or
That's it. It's about the distribution. So we can, even this one here, we can wind that throw right in to there.
See, I've got these at I've got a rental property that I've got these in, and I was given probably some of the earlier samples when Rainbird first brought them into Australia. Yep. And I was blown away that you could almost turn them off.
You can dial
by hand.
Right down. Yeah.
Obviously, you want to be careful when doing that if they've been designed by an irrigation shop, and then you're trying to get fancy with it because you might not get the head-to-head.
That's exactly right. And they are, as you said, they're match precip, so you can put these with a 5000 series rotor with your MPR nozzles in it. And then you can have a mix zone of the rotator nozzles.
So these are matched to your gear drives?
Correct.
Wow. So a competitor's nozzle, like say, K-Rain or Hunter or...
Yeah, they're not.
They're not. No. So if you're going to do an MP rotator system and you want to keep the MPR match precipitation, you need to stay inside those fences, I guess. Yep. But I didn't know that about this. So there you go. Okay. So that's the thing I didn't know. So we could design a system with a 5000...
Yep.
What about the 3500, 3504s? They're
no,
not...
so you can, with the MPR nozzles that fit into the 5000 gear drives, they start with a throw of...
hang on. So you've got a 5000 gear drive and you put an MPR nozzle in it?
Correct.
I didn't know that. So are they like an additional part, or they don't come in the box?
You get another nozzle tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Quite often it's a special request item.
You got stock of it as well?
We've got thousands of them.
That's really important. I reckon almost make a separate video on that. And maybe if I'll get DK to get a video, if you can like snip in a photo of the nozzle rack that he's talking about and show people what it is, because a lot of people wouldn't know that. So.
Can you find me a landscape catalogue, please?
Yeah, that's cool. See, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So that's probably Jeff's fault. Jeff's not even here to stick up for himself.
It makes it pretty powerful. It means that you can go match preset from essentially 2.4 metres all the way up to 15 metres.
But they haven't done it past that sprinkler. Like you can't get 8005s with matched or...
No. You shouldn't be running 8005s with...
Fair enough.
So that's them there. So the 5000 series MPR nozzles, they come with their own nozzle tree, and then based on whether you can design a system from 2.4 metres out to 15 metres. Yep.
Edges and throws, but you need to have the flow and the pressure to handle it.
Correct.
Yep.
Exactly right.
So are they quite low flow when you're putting those nozzles in a 5000?
Yeah, they are.
That's pretty cool. Obviously, these nozzles are hand adjustable from an angle point of view and a distance point of view.
Yep.
I've been told you can flush the nozzle as well if there's
Correct.
issues with it.
Yep. So one of the biggest sell features of these nozzles is that it's entirely hand adjustable. So as you said, we can push down and twist to decrease or increase the arc from 0 degrees up to 270. We can use the wheel to increase or decrease the throw.
Yep.
But there's a flushing feature as well. So should your nozzle get clogged with dirt or something, we can simply hold the stem with one hand, lift the nozzle up.
Yep. Oh, I got him.
Did I get him? And
You look
it
like you wet
flushes
your
from all
pants,
sides, so we can just
Oh, no, it's got me.
got him.
That's why we wear dark pants.
Doesn't actually serve any purpose, but it's good to wet your friends.
Yeah. So you've got obviously a hunter sprinkler set up next to it.
Yep.
Just to show people the difference between
Exactly.
between how they're throwing. We've had a few requests from people to kind of do a bit of a review
Side by side.
between them. So can you pop them up at the same time, or you're gonna?
Yeah,
you're gonna
definitely,
press it?
definitely. Let's go and have a look.
So this is the controller that's operating this.
Yes, it is. So I
What is
haven't
it?
had any play with this, so I don't know what zones they're on. But
Yep.
let's.
So what controller is it? It's a
So this is an
ESP-ME.
ESP-ME, yep.
That's my favourite controller, by the way. I've said that plenty of times. Should add the photo in. So this is the app that would be in your phone or your iPad.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is the mobile app that connects to the ESP-ME or the RZX controllers, and we can see that we can name our programs. We can take photos of our zones.
Yep.
So if I go into the manual watering button, I can simply add some time.
Yep.
to
And this
zone
is a
one.
Wi-Fi app. So this is for controllers that are, so the ESP-ME and the ESP-RZXE that have the Wi-Fi dongle in them.
Correct.
Then this is the app that would be on your phone or your device that you would then use to operate your irrigation.
To access through your home Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world.
Yep.
So, and as soon as I press start, it's instantaneous.
Yep.
We can watch our nozzles pop up.
I really like this display.
Good. But we can see from here the difference in the size of the droplets, the size of the streams between the
Well,
two.
you can. I mean, you know that the R-Van's going to have a thicker droplet than an MP rotator anyway, because it's got higher precipitation, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
it has to.
Correct. Yeah.
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 Oh, so they're both on. I didn't even
Yep.
see it. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So that's an MP corner, I'm guessing, based on my knowledge of what they are.
I would agree with that. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. So they've got a slightly different angle.
Yep.
But I'm assuming they don't throw as far as those anyway. So that's a 4 metre throw. The MP corner's a 4.5. Okay, so they're comparable.
Yep.
They're both running on. Is that their body or your body?
That's a rainbow body.
It's a rainbow body. We did a video about that recently, saying how you can actually get. You can put an MP rotator head on a rainbow body, and it's
Good.
fine.
Good.
Okay. So you can have a look at the difference in the heads. I guess it's hard to get Rainbow to comment on the differences because they can be seen to be biased. So I'll talk quickly about the difference. So obviously the Rainbird R-Van's hand adjustable, hand flushable. The MP rotator, whilst you could probably adjust it by hand, it's really hard and they have to have a tool. If they do get any debris in them, they can block up and then you have to throw them out. These are flushable. I think in the past the MP rotator's probably had a better range of being able to do more irrigation, but now that Rainbird have got this full rack, this full chocolate box, I'm pretty sure you'd probably cover most stuff. You can't do a 40, you can do a 45, so the MP corner is what,
Yep.
45 to 90 or whatever?
Yep.
So you've covered that now.
Because we had 0 to 270 and then
No one
a
does a
360.
270 to 360 anyway,
Yeah.
and it's really unlikely.
So our feedback from the US is that this is our complete range.
Yeah, it's done.
This covers
Yeah.
everything that we
'Cause it wasn't
that we
for
want
a
to
while,
cover.
yeah.
And as I said, because it's matched with the 5000,
Yeah.
we don't see any need to
Oh,
go
so because
anything.
in the MP rotator range, they'd have that 10.5, like their MP 3500.
3000, yeah.
Yeah. So you've got that in the gear drive. Yeah,
Correct,
that's
yeah,
true. Yeah,
yeah.
cool. And the only probably, it wouldn't even be a negative. I'd say we could probably sell a 5000 for the same price as a 4-inch with a head on it anyway. So you're not even going to be financially disadvantaged.
Yeah. Once you're up in that sort of 7 metre range, then we should be looking at using a single stream rotor anyway
Yep.
for coverage.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, fair, cool. Because it's just so hard to throw 9 metres with a finger.
Yeah, correct,
Like there's
yeah.
so much wind that's going to get involved and
Exactly,
whatever else.
yeah.
Yeah, cool.